So this is end of day 2 on our golf bathroom project, and we've got the things floor cleared off and the bathtub out of the way. Found few surprises already. Have actually all the electrical modified and moved around, so this is already done. And here are the surprises. They ran the water lines and the vents behind the bathtub through the area where we will have a shower, so that's no good. Also, we have a heat duct right here under the drain of the bathtub, which is, since this is going to be a curbless shower, we need to drop it down. So there's a little modification waiting there. Other than that, no, we are moving along. Oh, look at this interesting bracket when they were putting the stack in. And we had a proper specialist swing by, so we have the ductwork all lowered down and the plumbing all put in the wall where it belongs. So we are good to go with lowering our floor for the curbless shower. Now we have all the blocking put in place for the shower floor, which is lower than the regular one, and new drain is right here waiting, ready to go. So we can close the subfloor and put the plywood down and play with the walls, because that's the plan for today. Get the new shower set in, connect the linear drain here with the tray, and we already have the framing done for the niche here. And now when the plumbing's all in place and we have the linear drain installed across the shower floor and the tetraxle membrane on the subfloor, and the walls are boarded, so we just need a little piece here. Here's a little marking for the niche to fit it into the tile work, and we'll just waterproof this the floor and the walls with the curdy band and start some fun tiling tomorrow. So stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching.